Welcome to today's lesson. We're going to learn simple, useful phrases for taking a taxi in English. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and imagine you are the passenger. When you first get into the taxi, you might want to ask about the cost. Say, how much will it cost to go to the city center? Repeat after me. How much will it cost to go to the city center? Here's another way to ask. What's the fare to the hotel? One more time. What's the fare to the hotel? To tell the driver where to go, use, "Could you take me to the train station, please?" Say it with me. Could you take me to the train station, please? Another polite way is, I need to go to the airport. Repeat. I need to go to the airport. When you have luggage, you can ask, is it okay if I put my suitcase in the trunk? Now you, is it okay if I put my suitcase in the trunk? You can also say, can I leave my bag in the back? Repeat with me. Can I leave my bag in the back? If you need the driver to wait, ask, could you wait here for a few minutes? Try it now. Could you wait here for a few minutes? Or you could say, can you stop and wait for me? Repeat after me. Can you stop and wait for me? At the end of your ride, you can ask, how much do I owe you? Say it with me. How much do I owe you? You can also ask, can I have the total, please? One more time. Can I have the total, please?
Sometimes you round the fare. Say, let's just say $15. Repeat with me. Let's just say $15.
Or, if you want to give a tip, say, keep the change, make it 20. Try it now. Keep the change, make it 20.
If you need proof of payment, ask, could I get a receipt, please? Now you, could I get a receipt, please?
Great job! You've learned useful taxi phrases. Keep practicing.